You ready? Hi, it's Lynn again. As you can see, I've got chickens and the food keeps getting wet because it rains quite a lot. So I went to the pound shop, bought one of these little flour containers, drilled a hole in it and put one of them on, a little washer, put that on the top, another washer, screw that on the top, and then, hey presto, it keeps your chicken feed dry. Little hook on there. Done. Good idea for keeping your chicken feed dry. Come on, come on. Yeah, it's raining. Can you come then? There we go. Right, we're going in now, girls. Hang it up. We're going to hang it up on the post so it's not on the ground getting wet and dirty. Hang it up there, and then the girls will go in and have their feed.